Today I'm going to be sharing with you a few freezer meals that you could do very quickly. I worked with all frozen chicken breasts, chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks, and these are very easy dump and go recipes. What I did was I doubled these recipes and kept one half, of course, in the freezer, and then the other half in my refrigerator, and that's what we had for meals for the week.
First up, we're going to be making broccoli and chicken Alfredo. You will need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 14 to 16 ounce package of frozen broccoli florets, 1 green bell pepper diced, 1/2 cup cooked crumbled bacon, about 5 strips, and 2 16-ounce jars of Alfredo sauce. Label a 1-gallon freezer bag with cooking instructions.
Today's date, I have that it says it's a crock pot meal, 6 to 7 hours on low or 3 to 4 hours on high.
If you're using raw chicken, you can cut the chicken into finger-sized pieces. I'm working with frozen chicken, so I just threw the breasts into the bag. Put the broccoli, bell pepper, and bacon into the bag. Pour both jars of sauce over the top.
Gonna get all the air out, seal it up really good, and you can mush it around as well. There you have it, broccoli, chicken, and Alfredo. I do have a video on how you could thaw your freezer meals. You could take this out the day before, put it in your refrigerator. You could put it in a big pan of water and let it set to help thaw it out. And then you could just dump it into your crock pot. It's okay if your chicken is still frozen. If any of this is still frozen, you're just gonna up your cooking time in your crock pot.
Take out the night before and thaw. Pour the contents of the bag into a 4 to 5 quart slow cooker. Cook for 6 to 7 hours on low or 3 to 4 hours on high. Serve over hot pasta and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. You can freeze this up to 2 months.
Okay, we're gonna make ourselves some Thai lettuce wraps. What we're gonna use at the end when we make it is some like butter lettuce. This is the first time I am making this recipe, and it says it serves 4, but we're gonna see how it looks and then adjust where we need to next time we make it. So you're gonna need 4 chicken breast halves. So I took 4 chicken breasts and just cut them in half. So you basically want about 2 pounds of chicken. We're gonna need some bell peppers. I have red, orange, and yellow. An onion, soy sauce, lime juice, peanut butter, honey, and chicken stock.
So let's slice up some bell peppers and let's chop up that onion. Combine the onion, the broth, soy sauce, lime juice, honey, and the peanut butter in the bag and mix it up. Add the bell peppers and chicken. Swirl around until it's well coated. Seal the bag up well and freeze flat. On cooking day, make sure it's pretty much thawed. Dump the contents of the bag into the slow cooker. Cook on low for about 6 hours or on high for 3 to 4. At the end, just shred up your chicken, add it back in the crock pot. Spoon the meat mixture into the lettuce leaves and sprinkle with peanuts and cilantro if you'd like. I had green onions this day, so this is what I used. Roll up and enjoy. Next, we're gonna make cranberry barbecue chicken. And I found this recipe from the vlog, The Virtuous Wife, and the link is down below. You're gonna need chicken drumsticks. We used about 12. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of chopped onion, a 1/2 cup of chopped celery, 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce, 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and salt and pepper. I started by putting all this together in a Ziploc bag, and it was difficult. Well, it's much easier for me to mix all of this together with the chicken in a big bowl, then add it to the Ziploc bag. Either way, it's gonna be a mess. To reheat, just thaw overnight in the refrigerator, then pour into a baking dish and just bake as normal. Bake uncovered at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. What worked for me was when this was all done cooking, I took the chicken out, put it on a baking dish, putting it under the broiler and crisping it up a bit. While that was happening, I was thickening the sauce in the pan. I put the chicken back in the sauce and served it up. It was delicious. You could serve overcooked rice or as is, and you can find this recipe in the link below. And lastly, we have barbecue shredded chicken. You'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. This is all up to you how many you want to cook, and your favorite barbecue sauce. Place your chicken in your Ziploc bag. Pour the barbecue sauce all over it. Mix it good. Seal it tight, get all that air out. Lay it flat, and then freeze. When you're ready to make this, take it out the day before, let it thaw in your refrigerator. Cook on low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 3 to 4. We love eating any barbecue sandwich with coleslaw, so I'm going to share with you my coleslaw recipe. Grab a bag of coleslaw. You're going to mix up together a cup of mayo, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Taste it, see if you need to add more sugar or vinegar. Usually it's vinegar for me. Pour it over your coleslaw, mix it up, cover it, and stick it in your refrigerator until you're ready to serve. When the chicken is done, take it out and shred it. Add it back to your crock pot, then add some more barbecue sauce, give that a good mix, and then serve up.
Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.